The last Soul Sunday I came to, I was, I think, permanently stationed at the Geist Lounge. And I remember thinking that, it'd be a great place to come and give people an experience of what it's like to cook with the Delicious. So that was back in December. I think it was still like a dream, it was still like a thought. I put it up to Mehek and Ranina, and lo and behold, 3 months later, we are in here. It is insane to be running a stall, and not just a stall, I mean, it's an entire experience center. It's great to be showing people all the stuff that we can do.
We have more than 200 recipes on the Delicious. We have food from all across the globe. We have Egyptian, we have Ethiopian, African cuisine, and we are continuously testing more and more recipes. It is great to be here at Soul Sante and show the world what we've done in the past 1.5 years.
We set up an experience center in Soul Sante because this was the best way to meet all of Bangalore. We're here today to show Bangaloreans how we can make cooking great again for them.